Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to send a file on Telegram using the latest version of the app. Whether it's a document, photo, video, or any other file, Telegram makes it incredibly simple. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send the file. This could be a private conversation, a group, or even a channel where you have permission to share content. Next, look for the attachment icon located near the message input field. It's usually represented by a small paperclip symbol. Tap on it to open the sharing menu. After tapping the attachment icon, you'll see several options. Select File. This option allows you to send files in their original quality, which is especially useful for documents, PDFs, or media you don't want compressed. Now browse through your device storage to find the file you want to send. You can scroll through folders or use your device's search function if needed. Once you locate the file, simply tap on it to select it. After selecting your file, you'll be taken back to the chat screen with the file ready to be sent. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct file. Finally, tap the Send button, and your file will be delivered instantly to the chat. And that's it. Sending files on Telegram is fast, easy, and reliable, whether you're sharing work documents or personal files with friends. Give it a try, and you'll see just how smooth the process is.